Good morning, students. Here I am back with your social studies chapter 10, that is environment and pollution. The objective of this lesson are environment, major element of the environment, pollution, ways to save the environment. Gear up. Try to complete the chart given below by stating two causes each for air, water and land pollution. One has done for you. Now can you see the pollutions take place on land, in water and in air. Here one point is done for you. After explaining this chapter, with help of that you can fill up this blank. Now first, environment. Children, you know what is environment? All the things around us comprise our environment. It consists of both living and non-living things. It has four elements, that is hydrosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere and biosphere. Now, the major element of the environment, we'll learn the detail about it. First, hydrosphere. Hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is that part of the earth's surface which is covered with the water. The sphere, here the sphere means the earth, includes all the water bodies found on the earth. 71% of the earth's surface is covered with water. That is why the earth is also known as a blue planet. Without water, life is not possible on the earth. Water is necessary for our existence. All plants and animals depend upon water for the survival. The meaning hydro itself means water. Now atmosphere, that is air. Atmosphere is colorless and odorless. Colorless means no color and odorless means no smell. Layer of the gases that surrounds the earth. Atmosphere is like a protective shield which prevents the harmful rays of the sun from reaching the earth's surface. Air is very important part of the atmosphere. The atmosphere consists of number of gases such as nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide in different percentage. Oxygen is vital for survival of life on the earth. Without oxygen, no living things can survive. Now we shall learn about lithosphere. Lithosphere means land. Lithosphere is the outermost solid surface of the planet made up of rocks and soil. It is also known as a crust followed by mantle and core. All the continent, islands, seabeds and ocean beds are included in the lithosphere. It supports all land, animals, growth of plants and crops, and all human activities such as farming, mining and industries. Now we shall learn biosphere, that is our surrounding. The biosphere includes those parts of the atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere where life exists. The biosphere makes up a very small part of the earth masses. Each living organism has a specific environment in which it exists, which is called its ecosystem. The healthy environment is very important for the existence of all living beings. Human being uses environment for different activities. While doing so, they pollute. Industrialization, urbanization and ever increasing population are the factors of pollution. So here we know the reasons of pollution. It is said that in coming another 5 years the life would be very difficult to survive on the earth. First, pollution. What is pollution? The process of making air, water and land, that is soil, impure by adding the harmful substance is called pollution. And pollutant is a substance that નથી ગયું.
પાડ્યો ને નતો.
આ જુએ પેજ.
પાડેલો હતો ને નતો.
Of environment. A polluter is a person or factor that pollutes the environment. Types of pollution. Air pollution. The contamination of the air by toxic gases emitted by vehicles, factories, firecrackers, etc. is called air pollution. These are various factors that contribute to air pollution, like burning of wood, coal, and dry leaves, deforestation, germs, and release of toxic gases from unclean drainage and uncovered garbage is pollution. Can you see in the diagram a smoke given out by vehicle and the factories which pollute the air that what we breathe, and it affect our body and environment. Now, effect of air pollution. Factories release a number of gases which are harmful for human beings, plants, and animals. That means it's very, very harmful for living beings. Second, vehicular pollution is a major threat to the environment. The harmful gases released by vehicle causes cough, nausea, irritation in the eyes, etc. Third, pollution also causes asthma, skin allergy, infection, etc. So pollution, air pollution is very, very harmful. Can you see the water pollution? A small picture is given, a man doing something where lot of how the water is polluted. Now, water pollution. Water pollution is the presence of any material in water that is harmful for plant or animal. Various type of pollutant enter water and causes water pollution. Disposal of sewages, dead animals, industrial waste, waste material, bathing and washing clothes in river are the major reason for water pollution. Now let us learn the effect of water pollution. Drinking polluted water causes disease like cholera and jaundice. Second, polluted water causes great harm to aquatic plants and animals. The meaning of aquatic means growing in related to water. That is the plants growing in water. Then noise pollution. The presence of a loud noise and a sound in atmosphere is called noise pollution. It is very harmful for human beings as well as animals. The cause of noise pollution are bell ring music system, loudspeakers, cars and bus horns, machines in factories and TVs. Now the effect of noise pollution. It causes hearing loss, sleep disturbance, increases heartbeat, etc. It may also lead to deafness. Okay. Children, we celebrate the Earth Day on 22nd April every year, while 5th June as a World Environment Day. Now we shall learn about soil pollution. Soil pollution is caused when harmful substances are released into the soil. It hampers the growth of plants and affects animals. The main cause of soil pollution are overuse of fertilizer, chemicals, and dumping of polythene bags, plastic, and industrial waste in the soil. Now, the effect of soil pollution. Pollution makes the soil infertile. It harms the beneficial microorganism living in the soil. It may lead to soil erosion. Contamination of the soil causes many health problems. Okay. As we all know that plastic bags are harmful for our environment, so make the handbag from any old clothes or paper as to substitute to plastic bags and make the use when you go out for shopping. Ways to save the environment. Industries should take steps to detoxify the waste material before they are discharged into water bodies. The government has to be strict and take the action. Second, burning of waste should be banned. Third, instead of cutting trees, everybody should make an effort to plant more trees to make our environment pollution free and clean. Next, drivers should limit the use of horns as much as possible. Next, people should refrain from using loudspeaker. Here the system is shown in the diagram. Save the soil by growing more and more plants, so the soil erosion will be less. A healthy environment is necessary for all living beings. We depend on environment for our existence. Therefore, it is our responsibility to take necessary steps and protect the environment from pollution. Almost 50% of the earth originally forest covers is destroyed. Much of it is destroyed within the past 3 decades. Now we shall discuss few points that we have learned in this chapter. First, environment consists of 4 elements, that is hydrosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere and biosphere. Second, hydrosphere is a sphere of water. Next, contamination of air, water, land or soil by harmful or unpleasant substance is called pollution. There are 4 major types of pollution: air, water, noise and soil pollution. We depend on environment and our existence. Student, I request you to read this lesson, learn the hard words and write down all important points. Thank you.